Hey there homeowners, I'm Cooper Killian, your friendly golden rule plumbing professional. And today we're diving into a topic that can cause a lot of head scratching, water stains on your ceiling. But don't worry, I've got you covered. So picture this, you walk into a room, look up, and bam, there it is, a water stain staring back at you from your ceiling. What gives, right? Well, stick around because we're going to explore why this happens and what you should do about it. First off, why is there a water stain on your ceiling when there's no leak in sight? It's a great question. Sometimes it's not as straightforward as you might think. You see, it's not always about a leaking roof or a plumbing issue. Condensation can be a sneaky culprit, especially in humid climates. Your ceiling can develop water stains just from excess moisture in the air. Another thing to consider is the age of your ceiling. Over time, paint or ceiling materials can naturally discolor, giving you those mysterious brown spots. And here's the kicker, those brown spots might even be leftovers from a previous leak that's long been fixed. It's like a scar, a reminder of the past. But wait, what if you're dealing with an active water stain, like one that's spreading or even dripping? Is it an emergency? Well, it could be. If you spot a rapidly expanding stain or active dripping, it's time to take action. This could indicate an ongoing issue that needs immediate attention to prevent more damage. Now let's talk about how long it takes for water damage to show on a ceiling. The answer, it varies. It depends on factors like the severity of the leak, the type of material your ceiling is made of, and even environmental conditions. So here's the takeaway. Finding water stains on your ceiling can be puzzling, but don't sweat it too much. Investigate the source, address it if needed, and consider calling a pro if you're unsure. Prevention, regular maintenance, and early intervention are your best friends for keeping your home ceiling in top shape. And remember, when in doubt, reach out to a qualified plumber. Thank you for joining me today on the Ceiling Adventure. If you've got more questions or need assistance with any plumbing related issues, don't hesitate to get in touch. We're always happy to help.